Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable HDR video streaming on your Windows 11 PC. Now, before we start, let's quickly understand what HDR video streaming actually means. HDR, or High Dynamic Range, enhances your videos by improving brightness, contrast, and color accuracy, giving you a more realistic and vibrant viewing experience, especially on supported displays. It's perfect for watching movies, streaming content, or gaming in high quality. Click on the Start menu and open the Settings app. In the left sidebar, go to System. Now, click on Display, and then select the HDR option. Here you'll see an option called HDR Video Streaming. Simply toggle this switch on to enable it. Once turned on, Windows will automatically optimize your display for HDR playback, and you'll get brighter highlights, deeper blacks, and richer colors when watching HDR-supported videos. You've successfully enabled HDR video streaming on your Windows 11 PC. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might find it useful. Also, let me know in the comments if you'd like a video on HDR calibration or display optimization next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Waving hand.